Today, I'll show you how to add admin commands in Roblox Studio. First, open Roblox Studio and load your place. Once your game is open, go to the toolbox. If you don't see it, click on the Window tab at the top and make sure Toolbox is checked. In the toolbox, select the Models category. Then in the search bar, type Admin. You'll see several results appear. Look for one called HD Admin. It's one of the most popular and trusted admin systems in Roblox. Click and drag the HD admin model into your place. It will automatically add all the required scripts and folders for you. Now you can test it. Click the play button at the top to run your game. At first, you might not see anything. Wait a few seconds for the HD admin panel to load. Once it's ready, you'll see an admin menu button appear in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, and the HD admin menu will open. From here, you can use all the built-in admin commands. If you want to customize the admin commands or change who has access, you can do that too. Stop the game and go to the Explorer panel on the right side of Roblox Studio. Find the HD admin folder under Workspace. Click the small arrow next to it to open the drop-down list. Inside, you'll find a file named Settings. Double-click it to open. Here, you'll see many options you can change, like adding specific users as admins or modifying command permissions. After making your changes, save your game. That's it. Thanks for watching.